We'll guide you through how to make rotate text Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create more dynamic and eye-catching text designs without using complicated software. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Pixlr.com. Press Enter, wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. Next, click Open Image and import your background file from your device. Wait until the image fully loads onto the canvas before continuing. After that, select the text tool from the toolbar, then click anywhere on the canvas to create a text box. Type your desired text, then adjust the font style to match your design. Continue by adjusting the size and color until it looks clear and balanced. Make sure the text layer is selected, then look at the bounding box surrounding the text. Locate the rotate handle at the corner, click it, and drag to rotate the text left or right manually. Hold the Shift key to keep the rotation at a straight angle. For more precise control, go to the top toolbar and find the transform settings. Use the Move tool to reposition the text anywhere on the canvas. Duplicate the text layer, then rotate the second text at a different angle to create variation. This helps you build a layered design effect. You can enhance the design further by combining the text with shadow or glow effects for added depth. Adjust the opacity if needed to make the layers blend smoothly. Finally, check the overall composition to ensure everything looks aligned and visually appealing. When you are satisfied, click Save or Export to download your finished design. Make sure all elements are properly spaced and that no parts of the text are cut off by the canvas edges. Review each layer carefully and confirm that rotations are consistent with your intended style. If necessary, return to the transform settings to fine-tune the angles again. You can also experiment with different font weights or spacing to improve readability. Once everything looks correct, proceed with exporting using your preferred file format and quality settings for the best result.